The 60s have come and gone, and Thomo's out of a job, but enter fucking Maiko and his diesel engine. Here he goes, slow and steady, down the track. So what the—
You've unlocked a door with the key of your imagination. Beyond it, another dimension. A dimension of sick tricks. A dimension of mind fuckery. A dimension of 2 tracks. You've moved into a land of both wood and rail, of things and ideals. You just crossed over into the 2-track zone.
Back on the 1 track, and Maiko's on a fucking mad one. Here's Thomo, he's about to get a fucking beating. Oh, get out of here, you out-of-date wanker. Fucking bloody Hollanders and their dodgy architecture. Fuck off, you cuntos. Here comes another rampant
We're
back.
not dropping out here. We're infiltrating the taking over. First you will see a spot. The spot will become a crack. This is the crack between the nothing, and out of this nothing will come your unborn soul.
Reality is an illusion, albeit a persistent one. There is an area of the mind that can be called unsane, beyond sanity, and yet not insane. Think of a circle with a fine split in it. At one end, there's insanity. You go around the circle to sanity, and on the other end of the circle, close to insanity, but not insanity, is unsanity.
Fuck me dead, Maiko's a bit thirsty, he's run out of diesel and needs to catch a fucking lift with Thomo. Thomo reckons the modern era can go fuck itself and we get a drag race. Maiko pulls ahead, Thomo's in the lead now on that fucking bend. Maiko can't handle it and Thomo has fucking crashed and Maiko takes the fucking day with a 180. Fucking yes, diesel fuck.